Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Wednesday Wink. You know, it's been fun doing these for the whole month of September. So if you're enjoying these, please show me some love. Give me some thumbs up. Give me some commentary in the chat, in the channel, so that I know to move forward and keep these coming your way. I love doing these Wednesday Winks. And for today, it is September the 24th, episode 4. Now, how cool is that? I can't believe I've done the intro and all 4 all by my lonesome. Yeah, I'm learning how to do a couple little things on the back end that is going to be fun for you and fun for me. So, if you can't see the table, that's on me, not the boss. So let me talk to you about circles. Let me talk to you about fun projects that over the course of time, we're like, that's not for me. That's going to be so hard. I don't want to do it, right? I think we've all hit that plateau at some point during our quilting that it's either a one and done or you think, I don't know. I don't want to do it. So what my goal is today is to lead you down the path of a new rabbit hole. I would love for you to just embrace this. Give it a shot and see if it's something that you might enjoy doing. For me, I love doing circles. I love doing Drunkard's Path. I totally just enjoy the whole process. I have done the wedding quilt. I've done all kinds of fun projects, but this one here I'm doing for a friend. So with that being said, I want to show you something special. So when I do a project, I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes. And normally I don't do this like I should. So this is so simple. It's the Drunkard's Path. And what it is just 2 pieces. That's it. In the way you turn the block. Yes, I'll tell you up front, there's a curve. Once you master that curve, play with some scrap fabric. Best way to learn it. But the way that I'm going to show you today should also make it a lot easier as well. And when I get this quilt done, you'll see it coming together on the channel because I'm going to bring it that way as well. But I have an amazing friend, Tasha Quilts. She loves circles too. So I'm going to also tag her in this video and send you along her way because she has amazing content. She is a relatively new content creator, and I'd like you to go over, check her out. If you like the content that she is putting out, show her some love as well. So anyway, you have a few options when you're doing a project like this. You can opt to buy the templates, which I have, or you can just print them offline and make your own template or just use the paper over and over again. For me, I chose the size of this, but the templates come in multiple different sizes. Like for this particular quilt, I'm doing 6-inch blocks because I need to make 96 blocks. Yeah. That means double the cutting too. So think about that when you're working. How big do you want your project to be? Or you can get the 8-inch, or you can get the 10-inch. The sky is the limit on how big you make this. And I'll also be showing you tips and tricks with the extra circle and how to join that together, and then you can put it on other projects as well. This year, moving forward, I'm going to dedicate to let's not have scraps just laying around and what we'll be able to do with them. So stay tuned for projects that you're doing in 2026 because I've got something up my sleeve I think everybody will honestly enjoy. So whether you're printing a template or you're using a bought one, there's something that you need to understand about it. So on the template, you're going to see multiple markings. This, as you can see, is your 1/4 inch. These are the marks that you need to absolutely mark on your circle once it is cut out. I'm using the bigger template for demonstration purposes only. Okay? And you can also downsize. When you buy the templates, you can also downsize. So remember that. You can, once you get it together, you can square it off and make it whatever size you choose by lining your block up here and just coming down. So on this side as well, you will mark here. You will mark here, 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 and here. That's going to make this process go so much smoother for you. What I opted to do was cut out I'm doing the 6-inch block for this particular quilt. So I cut 6.5, 95 of my white background, 96 of my white, 96 of my color, and then I'm merging them together now. So that way I have exactly what I need for this fun project. So let me sit this in the back. Now I showed you how easy. So I will show you this. First you're going to cut everything out and just make your little stacks. You can't get any easier than that. And I've also done the same on this side. That way, organization is key with any project that I do. Do I overthink it sometimes? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below. But what I like to do is take my project, and I've already made a few. So I'll show you how easy. Now look how nice this comes together. You can, once you get it sewn in, you're going to stick with your 1/4 inch all the way around. And I'm going to show you here. I have my markings on the inside. So let me grab one and I will show you how easy these are to put together. So all you're going to do is put right sides together. And I'm going to try my best to keep it right here where you're going to be able to see. You find the center right there, and you're going to have your marks. The marks are very, very important as you move along, but the main part is find your center. Then, yes, it's going to look a little wonky as you work your way along, and I'm trying to keep it up here for you, and you're going to stick another pin in it. These come together so simple. These are fine. They're on the bias, so you want to make sure that as you're working it in, you drop your needle here at the end, and you're going to come all the way to the center. Stop there, and then this side, all you're going to do is start working it in. Easy peasy, right? You can't go wrong. And you're going to end up with this. After you get this done, and you get all of the pieces made for the size quilt project that you wish to make, then you'll start with your layout. And that's so simple. You're going to be turning the blocks. You'll build a 4-patch, and then from the 4-patch, you'll go to the 8, and then the 16, and build out that way. That way, there's no way you're going to lay your project down wrong. Now, when you're working with the drunkard's path, there is so many layouts. I couldn't begin to show you here, but you can go into the Google and type in drunkard's path, and it's going to show you the sky is the limit. Now, my customer for this, she loves the retro, taking it back in time to the 70s. So that's what we're doing on this. We're going all the way back to Flower Power fabric and white on white by Moda. And this will be a kickoff project that I will be starting online with yous in the coming weeks. So stay tuned, and I hope that you enjoy the process. Once again, please don't forget to go over and check out my friend Tasha Quilts. Take care, everyone. Thank you a lot for coming, and I'll see you back next week for the Wednesday Wink. Bye-bye.